A very good morning, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine and safe at your homes, and hope that all of you have enjoyed the festivals nicely and safely. Now, welcome back to your classes. As per schedule, your science class is there. So, dear students, we were doing chapter number 13 that we had completed. Hope all of you have completed in your fair notebook also. So today we will be starting chapter number 14, chemicals around the house. Means chemicals what we are using on daily basis around our house, in our house and around house, around our environment. Right? So everything around us that is made of chemicals or chemical substances. We had discussed in chapter number 13 that what are the elements like iron, carbon, and oxygen, and compounds like sugar, salt, and water and chemicals and substances. Chemical compound is what when two or more atoms join together. For example, we have taken the example of water. Water is a chemical compound. How? Because it is formed by joining up two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. And air is a mixture of many chemical substances. Some of these, such as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, they are elements, right? But carbon dioxide, because it is made up of two atoms joined together, are compounds. Carbon dioxide, it is formed by one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. And soil is a mixture of many compounds. Even our body is made up of many complex compounds containing carbon. So beta, everything around us is made up of chemicals. Though everything is made of chemicals, when we use the word chemicals, we mean substances used in or made by chemical reactions. Chemistry, by the way, it is the study of what things are made of and how they change. And chemical reactions, they are processes by which substances changes into new substances. We have discussed like water, carbon dioxide, we have taken example. Atoms are joined together and a new substance is formed. In carbon dioxide, we are joining one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen, then it is formed a new substance that is called carbon dioxide. Same is water, and we are taking two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, and water is formed, new substance, that is your new substance. And many chemicals, they are used in factories and laboratories also, but we don't generally use them in our house. There are some common ones that we are using almost every day. Acids, soaps, detergents, bleaches, medicines, pesticides, they are some common household chemicals. Soaps, we are using acids, detergents, medicines, pesticides. So first is acids. The commonest example of acids that we come across every day, they are vinegar. Vinegar we are using in kitchen, liquid in car or inverter batteries, and the acid used for cleaning, that is bathroom acid, you can say. There are different acids, but they have one thing in common. What is one thing in common? They are corrosive. Corrosive means what? That means they corrode or eat away things. Be careful about bathroom acid or acid used in batteries, because they are very corrosive and they can cause burns. Vinegar has a milder action, it does not cause burns, but even vinegar can eat away things. So commonly acids we are using, that vinegar, bathroom acid, and acid in car batteries. So be aware of them, be careful, because they take away the things, they cause burns. Corrosion is what? Chemical reaction. The acid reacts with the stuff it eats away, and one of the new substances formed is a gas. Suppose, dip a boiled egg in a glass of vinegar. You will notice bubbles. These bubbles are formed by gas that is produced. If you leave the egg in the vinegar for a long enough, the acid will eat away the whole shell. You will notice a much stronger reaction if you drop a few marble chips or iron nails into some bathroom acid into a plastic bowl or bottle. This is because that acid is much stronger than vinegar. So these are the acids. So here 2-3 examples are given. First is in vinegar we have put egg and bubbles are there. Second, marble chips in acid. And third is iron nail in acid. Right? So these are the acids example. How you can test for acids? Testing for acids is things that contains acids. They are called acidic substances. Many things in the house, including some things we eat, are acidic. You can make an indicator or tester to test which things are acidic. What indicators are doing? They change color when they are added to acids and bases, another kind of chemical. So here 2-3 activities we will be doing later on. Like one on page number 81 is given. Activity: crush some red rose petals and collect the juice and dilute the juice with water in a test tube or an empty bottle of homeopathic medicine. Test tubes are what? They are glass tubes used in laboratories. You can buy them from a chemist shop or a shop that sells things used in laboratories. The diluted juice is your indicator. Take a small quantity of the liquid you want to test is another test tube. Use a clean dropper to add a few drops of indicator to the liquid. If the liquid turns pink or red, it means it is acidic. Right, so we have used rose indicator, and after that we have tested of small liquid, diluted juice we have taken. Right, so in this way we have to perform these activities. So activities we will be discussing later on for this chapter. So read this chapter carefully, beta, and try to solve back exercise. Remaining bases and salts we will be taking in next class. Thank you. God bless you.